Smith Island is right in the middle of the Chesapeake Bay. In order to get to Smith Island, you have to take one of the mail boats or one of the charter boats. You leave your vehicle on the mainland. So it's like you're going on a cruise, or it's like you're going to another country, actually. My name is Mark Kitchen. I'm the president of the Smith Island Cultural Alliance. I'm also owner and operator of Smith Island Eco Tours and Charters. I'm a full-time waterman and a lifetime resident of Smith Island. When visitors come to Smith Island, the best place to start is right here at the Cultural Center, where you can come here and talk with some of the workers here and give some insight on some of the history of the island and what things are available to the island.
My name's Eddie Summers. I was raised on Smith Island and I am president of Smith Island United. Smith Island consists of 3 communities: Ewell, Rhodes Point, and Tylerton. Rhodes Point and Ewell are connected by road, and Tylerton just a hop, skip, and a jump and a boat. If you're coming to Smith Island, you're going to experience quiet, beautiful sunsets, sunrises, marsh scenes, water scenes, wildlife. For visitors that want to experience the culture, you have watermen now that are taking people in their boats crabbing, oystering. They're doing sunset tours. That'll give you a good idea of the real culture, true culture of Smith Island.
I'm Betty Tyler, and Smith Island Cruises is my company and my brothers. We are partners. It's been a family business for 45 years. The island is turning more to tourism. It used to be all a waterman's community, but now there's a lot of people on the island, a lot of families. They're all part of the tourism. They offer either cottages to stay in, doing golf cart rentals, the bike rentals. So it's just an experience for people that they can't get too many other places. And I think the island people are really getting used to having tourism here.
Visitors are welcome to Smith Island. There seems to be some kind of misconception that they're not welcome, and that's just not true. We invite you to come. There's lots of Smith Island cake, crabs, oysters in the winter. We welcome people to visit.
If you're going to take a day trip or come overnight, either way, we would love to have you. It's a great place to visit.
You're welcome to come on and visit us over on Smith Island, and we hope you do.